Welcome. In this video, we'll guide you through updating Drake Software 2021, whether you're using Drake Tax or Drake Accounting. This quick walkthrough will help keep your system secure, compliant, and up-to-date. Drake Software releases regular patches to improve stability, enhance features, and fix bugs. Staying updated ensures your returns are accurate and compliant with the latest tax rules. Here's how to update Drake Tax 2021 manually. Step 1. Launch Drake Tax and go to Tools, then Update Manager. Step 2. Click Check for updates. Step 3. Select available patches. Then click Install selected. Step 4. Allow the program to close and restart to complete the installation.
Tips: schedule updates during downtime to avoid workflow interruption. Ensure your system meets Windows Update requirements. Use Drake's support site to download full version patches if needed.
Drake Accounting uses a similar approach. Step 1. Go to Tools, then Program Updates. Step 2. Click Update if one is available. Step 3. The program will close and start updating. Step 4. After rebooting, updates will be applied. If updates don't install correctly, ensure your internet connection is stable. Restart your computer before retrying. Disable antivirus temporarily if it interferes. Check Drake's patch notes under Help, then Patch Notes for known issues. For deeper support, check out Drake's free webinars and video tutorials. You'll find guides for everything from 1040 prep to e-filing setup.
If you found this guide helpful, hit like, subscribe for more updates, and let us know if you need help with specific settings or modules. Let's make this tax season hassle-free.